Are you asking someone to edit a doc for you, but want to give them limited options? Want someone to update the status of a project or choose from a preset list? Add a drop-down menu to your doc in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to add a drop-down menu to your doc. Let's get started. In a doc, type @ and click on the drop-down option. From there, select from preset drop-down options like project status or review status, or create your own option with custom colors. So there you have it. Add a drop-down menu to your doc in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.